So hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today I think I have a very good coin that we can all trade. And the coin's name is SUI, as you can see here. Because I believe SUI is gearing up for a very big move that will probably take us to around $7. That's the current target that I'm looking at. So let's just quickly dive into the charts. And today I want to make a short video, so I'll just dive into the daily instead of looking at the weekly chart. And you can clearly see a clean impulsive wave in the daily time frame. So this is your clean 5 waves. So as you can see, this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's your impulsive wave, and what you are currently seeing is the ABC correction. So, and which is a bit deeper. So this is a zigzag. So this is your A, your B, and your C. And you can see C is impulsive, right? And you can see that also the A rejected at around the 0.786. So this, I believe, is a good buying zone, because I believe we have finally come back to the golden ratio, yeah, between the 0.5 and 0.68. So I think this is a good coin to buy. You can probably look for a trade in this SUI coin. And for the targets, let me just quickly show you the targets. For the targets, you can just use your trend based fib. So you can put it from the beginning of wave 1 to the end of wave 1 to the end of wave 2, right? So that's what you are seeing, and the target will ultimately be around the 1.618. This is your target, the 6.82. So what we want to trade is this move going up. And also remember, this move will be a 5 waves move. So you'll see something like a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and this will be a wave 3. An ABC pullback, just can be a flat, because this, you can see, was a deeper one. Then before the continuation of wave 5, so something like that. So ultimately this coin will probably be going to either of these extension levels, either the 2.618 or the $10 range for the ultimate wave 5, so something like that. But for now, let's look at the low time frame to see how we can enter into this trade. So we have already seen that this is your wave 1, this is your 1, this is your wave 1, that's your 1, and we have said this is our current retracement for wave 2. So for our entry, let's go to the 4-hour time frame and show you how you can enter into this trade. So as you can see, even on the 4-hour, we've been making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, right? So for best entry for this coin, what you want to see is you want to see a clean break of structure. That's the zone that you want to see SUI close above. That's the zone. So for your entry, you want to wait for a clean breakout of this zone, and you buy on this retest also, the 0.5 to 0.6 of this retracement for you to trade the wave 3. So you put your stop loss just below this zone, right? So maybe you do something like that, stop loss just below it, and you can trade this big move up, right? And this is for us we are waiting for this breakout to protect our capital, because we can still do something like this. Let me just show you. So we can make another lower high and continue low, right, to the 2.5, because that is a strong level, the 2.5, $2.50 level. That's why I want you guys to wait for the breakout of this range. Let me just show you quickly. This is the range you want to buy SUI after it has broken out of this range, because you can see this is the range this is the order block that could not hold this price, and it continued lower. So you wait for them to recapture this zone, then you can buy on the pullback and trade this whole move up, and you put your stop loss just below this zone. This is where, around that zone is where you put your stop loss. Don't put it too tightly. Just give yourself, for example, this is 2.65. You can give yourself to 2.60 or even 2.50, right? If you are doing a spot trading, but if it is a futures, you cannot just go, don't go way below it so that you can protect your capital. So that's what I'm seeing for SUI, and I think this is a good trade for those who are patient, because when the markets do something like this, most people are fearful, but these are the best zones to buy. These are the best opportunities to buy. So if you take your fib and up to that zone, you can clearly see that the 2.70 was our 0.618 zone, and these are the zones you start doing your low time frame buys and high time frame buys this zone to trade this move to at least $7. So that's it for today, guys, and kindly subscribe because I start I want to start posting such trades which I can see that these are good trades even for those who are in sport. These are the trades you want to buy. You don't just want to be buying every pullback, but you just want to buy a clinical pullback. You can also see this zone is holding price, and another deep zone that can hold price is that zone there. So anywhere between these two lines is a good buy for SUI in the long term. So that's it for today, guys. Bye, and kindly subscribe. I want to start posting at least 3 or more trades per day, and you can catch some of these trades. Yep, bye bye.